Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. If you're finding me on YouTube for the first time, you can go directly to windowpurchase.com where you can see over 200 educational videos. You can also see information. I've published the 3 books since 2001. And if you find my stuff helpful, please like and subscribe. The video I want to do today is on different parts of the window, because a lot of clients, you start talking about windows, they're like, what is that? What is that? They don't know what you're talking about. So I'm going to keep it simple. So let's go. So behind me here, for instance, we have double hung windows. So what's a sash? A sash is actually the part that moves up and down. This part here. That is the sash. And the sash is what tilts in for cleaning. Stuff like that. So the main frame is here, up here, here, and down below that the sashes are all held in place with. So the main frame is the very outer part of the window, and the sashes are what move up and down and tilt in for cleaning. The sash is actually what's responsible for directly holding the glass. But the main frame has to support the weight of all the glass in addition to the sash weight. Now, what this is connected to here are called pivot bars. Most pivot bars are made rather cheap. This is what a pivot bar can look like. Some are better than others. Most companies go cheap on this component, and the cheap ones, they become weak and they shear off and they usually break. So companies trying to make a better window are going to use better components. The other thing would be the balance system. One of the things that's here in the window is the balance system, which help the window go up and down, and better balance systems make that operation seem rather easy. This is a block and tackle made with Kevlar. The string is Kevlar. And Kevlar is what they make bulletproof vests out of, and some other things as well. And you have different types of balance systems on the market, and that's why if you've played with enough double hung windows, some go up easy, some go up hard, some just don't want to move. Again, it comes down to components. What quality of component are they using to serve that function? Now, if you take a double hung window, for instance, and lay it sideways, now it's called a slider. Well, you have rolling systems for sliders that help those glide easier, but some companies, they don't put a wheel system on it, and then it's just kind of the track sliding along the track, more of a friction based instead of a rolling base. So if you've ever had a bad experience with sliding windows that just don't want to move, maybe they didn't put a rolling system underneath or a quality rolling system underneath to help handle that weight that's got to move back and forth. Besides the main frame and the sash and the other parts we just covered, of course you have the glass. The glass is a key component in a window. It can be double pane or triple pane, but then the part in between each piece of glass is called the spacer. I've done quite a few videos on spacers. Spacers can make or break the efficiency of a window, especially around the edges. I did videos on edge deletion and gas fills and stuff like that, and a lot of the spacers on the market just don't really handle things well. And that's why a lot of times you get seal failure sooner than later. A lot of times that spacer is your culprit. And then lastly, on casement windows, windows that crank out, you have different types of hardware to achieve that weight being cranked in and out. Again, these are both stainless steel. This one's called a scoot. It actually slides. This one actually has a roller where it rolls. This would be heavy duty. This would be for windows that aren't quite as big. Again, videos 72 through 76 on my website, I believe, have had over 30,000 views, because cranking casement windows in and out can come with a number of problems if you're not using proper hardware, proper hinge attachment, and if you're just not using a good system in itself. I'm going to be doing another video later today on the proper way to crank and lock casement windows that cranking in and out, because a lot of people are just abusing that stuff. Anyway, those are some of your parts in a window. They are not all created equal. Better companies making better windows have better engineering in the design of the window, and they're using better parts and components, which are going to give you more longevity, more durability, more energy efficiency, and usually that comes with a much better warranty. I'm Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thank you so much. Again, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.